If you feel that your hair has just been frizzy or dry lately, then this easy DIY mask could be the solution to all your hair problems. Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Maria, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, I'm gonna be 100% real with you guys right now. I know I look like a total mess, my hormonal acne is acting up on my face, my hair is a tangled frizzy mess, but we're gonna take care of that right now. The first things that you'll need is a bowl, a fork, and a spoon. For the ingredients, you're going to need an avocado, an egg, olive oil, a banana, raw honey, and coconut oil. First thing you got to do is scoop out the avocado with your spoon. Then you're going to take half of a banana, take the peel off, and drop it in the bowl. Then you're going to take one egg, but you're going to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. You don't want to include yolk in your hair mask because it's going to leave your hair smelling really weird even after you wash it. Next up, you're going to add a little splash of extra virgin olive oil. Next ingredient is raw honey, but make sure not to go overboard because it could leave your hair feeling really hard and sticky. Last but not least is my favorite oil, coconut oil. My hair loves this stuff, but if your hair maybe doesn't react well to coconut oil, then don't put it in the hair mask. Then you're going to get your fork and mash up any big chunks. Doesn't that look delicious? Next, you're going to put the mixture in your blender just to get the rest of the chunks out, and it's going to end up looking like a really smooth, creamy consistency. Yeah, that hurts to watch. Day 5 hair is definitely not a good look for me. So the first thing we're going to do is separate our hair from the top and bottom half. Your hair mask should look similar to mine, no chunks at all, super creamy consistency. Next up, we're going to add this to the ends of our hair, and definitely don't forget the back of your hair. That part tends to get really frizzy. After you've literally drenched your hair in this, take off the top section of your hair and do the exact same thing. Really make sure to saturate those ends. Our ends are our weakest, oldest, driest part of our hair, so those definitely need the most love. So after you completely saturate your hair in this mixture, you're going to put your hair up in a bun, and if you have a plastic cap, great. A grocery store bag will do just fine too. And I'm going to leave this on for 1 hour. So I left the mixture for 1 hour in my hair, and here I'm just fresh out the shower. Next up, I'm going in with the same leave-in conditioner I used in my curly hair routine video. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it up above so you can go check it out. This is a Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner from Shea Moisture. Next up, I'm going in with my Ride or Die product. This is a Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. For now, it's what I have, but I would like to venture out and test new products and review them for you guys. Then to seal all that moisture in, I'm going in with my Suave Mousse and just scrunching it in my hair. And then finally, these are the results. When my hair finally dried, it felt so soft, almost all the frizz was gone, and my definition was amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or suggestions for me, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.